what application are we looking at here, and what are the advantages of using the Emberion camera for this specific application?
Thank you very much for that question. So one of the characteristics of the Emberion camera is that we have a very broad spectral range. We can go from 400 to 2000 nanometers. And the upper end of that spectral range is a significant differentiator versus other suppliers of infrared cameras. And often customers ask us, well, what's the benefit of this additional spectral range? And the demo we have here basically illustrates that. And it's really focusing on the wavelength absorption of water. So water has a peak wavelength absorption in the 900, 1500 and 1900 range. And in this case, we put a filter in front of our camera which restricts the spectrum from 1900 to 2000. So for example, if we take some water and we put it, and if you look at the monitor on the screen, for example, you can see how the water looks black at 1900 because it absorbs all the energy and all the light that's falling on it. The other interesting benefit, if you continue to look at the monitor, is that packages which are normally opaque in the visible spectrum become transparent at these wavelengths, even to the extent that you can see the liquid inside the syringe through an opaque plastic covering. You can also use these cameras for analysis, for example, of the packaging to make sure that the seals are perfect, to identify plastic to air interface layers as well as plastic to plastic interface layers. So that's one of the key benefits of cameras that have a spectral range up to 2000 nanometers.
And you are using the KOWA with SWIR lens for this application.
Yes.
What is the contribution of the lens in this case?
Well, obviously, to be able to basically see spectral ranges up to 2000, you need a lens that will support up to 2000. And the KOWA lens allows us to see the spectrum which our image sensor can visualize from 400 to 2000 nanometers. So KOWA is an ideal solution for this kind of implementation.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.